Hi Mrs. Elwell, welcome to TrustFord Stains. My name is Lewis. I'll be the technician working on your vehicle today. Just to let you know, we've carried out a courtesy health check for you while we've done the clutch recall for you. And I'm just now going to go ahead and show you your tyre tread depths to begin with. I'll take a measurement from here. 3.74 mil, all nice and even all the way across. No defects on this tyre whatsoever. Minimum requirement is 1.6 mil, so that's absolutely fine. We've also carried out checks on your front suspension, including your drop links and lower CV boot gaiters and lower arms, including your brake lines. That's absolutely fine. Coming over to this side, same checks have been carried out on your driver's side front. They're absolutely fine. Quick tyre measurement, 3.98 mil. Absolutely fine, all nice and even all the way across, no defects on the tyre whatsoever. Quick measurement of your front brake pads here. They're approximately 6 millimil, minimum is 2 mil, that's the lowest point. But at the moment you're about halfway through your pads, which I'll show you here now. So that's your pad, the yellow one, and the green one is the brand new pad. And as you can see the difference on there, difference between the two. Just to show you a quick measurement of your front brake discs, 24.51 mil. Minimum is 23 millimil, so that's absolutely fine there. Coming back underneath your vehicle now, just to show you your exhaust system on the way to the back of your car. Coming around here, we've also checked your rear anti-roll bar bushes for you, drop links on either side, including your rear shock absorbers, coil springs on both sides. They're absolutely fine. Now to give you a quick passenger side tyre measurement for you, 5.47, all nice and even all the way across, no defects on the tyre whatsoever. Coming across to your driver's side rear tyre, 5.34 mil, all nice and even all the way across, no defects on your tyre whatsoever. It's hard to see here, but at the moment your rear brake pad, your rear brake discs are 10.94 mil, which are absolutely fine. Minimum requirement is 9. If I just give you a quick measurement of your rear brake pads now, just get that in there. And at the moment there are approximately 8 millimil of friction material left on your rear pads, which is absolutely fine. Thank you very much for using TrustFord Stains today, and one of our service advisors will be in touch with you shortly. Thank you.